In this problem, we are dealing with biconditional statements. You've run into a conditional statement before. That's an if-then statement. But a biconditional statement is in this form where P, if and only if Q. So in the case of the problem we're working on here, we have this biconditional statement that says a candy has 350 calories if and only if the candy is chocolate. So that phrasing, that biconditional phrasing, if and only if, you can think about that as the combination of just the plain old conditional statement. If it said, if a candy has 350 calories, then the candy is chocolate, plus its converse. And remember, the converse is where you swap the hypothesis and the conclusion. In this problem, we want to write the conditional statement from this biconditional, write the converse, and then figure out which ones are true, and if the whole biconditional statement is true. So writing the conditional statement and the converse to start with, not too tough. Let's give that a shot. We start with a candy has 350 calories if and only if the candy is chocolate. To convert this to a regular old conditional statement, we have an if statement, and that's going to be the first part of this. So I'm going to grab this, a candy has 350 calories, and then a then followed by the conclusion, which is the second part of this, the candy is chocolate. So we'll put that down here. So that's our plain old conditional statement. If a candy has 350 calories, the candy is chocolate. For the converse, we just swap the order. So if the candy is chocolate, then it has 350 calories. All right, so there's our conditional, there's our converse. Now we have to use this data over here to determine which of these are true. Is the conditional statement true? It says, if a candy has 350 calories, then it's chocolate. Well, here's 350 and that's chocolate, but here's 350 and it's caramel. So this one is false. Let's try the converse. This one says, if a candy is chocolate, it has 350 calories. So we find chocolate, and lo and behold, it has 350 calories. There's no other chocolate here with a different calorie amount, so that part is true. Now, the question we really want to answer here is the biconditional true? Is the whole thing true? And that can only be the case if both the conditional and the converse are true. So because one of these is false, the whole thing is false. So our biconditional in this case is not true. So that is a little bit of work with biconditional statements.